In our shop today, a vehicle that is truly one of one. A Lamborghini Revuelto, unlike any other, dressed in a breathtaking purple and adorned with the iconic Duke Dynamics kit.
Welcome back to the AFS channel. Today we're working on a true one of one, a Lamborghini Revuelto finished in this incredible purple and paired with the Duke Dynamics kit. We're protecting every curve and edge of this kit with precision PPF to keep this masterpiece flawless. From prep to application, we'll show you the entire process and why this car deserves nothing but the best. If you're as excited as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our epic projects. Let's get started.